Hey, what's going on, guys? So Sunday night, and I finally found some longer studs so I can run a wheel spacer and put the Brembos on. Found them at O'Reilly. I ordered them tonight, and they'll be in tomorrow. So wait a little bit, and then we'll get these Brembos on the truck. All right, guys, we're here at O'Reilly, and we've got a few lug nuts here. So we got part number 610428. These are the OEM ones. Got part number 610435, which are these middle ones right here. And part number 610530, because these are longer. So there you are, OEM. These are the longer ones. So as you can see, they're about 10 millimeters longer. And that's what we need to put the Brembos in the RST because of the wheel spacer. So we got 10, we ordered 2. So we'll pick them up tomorrow and get started. Guys, here we are. We're on our way to New Year because there is my wheel lock key, and that will not fit like the area, so I can't take off the lugs. So we're gonna go to New Year, pick up the one Beto has, so I can go ahead and take the lug nuts off, and we'll get started on getting these Brembos on the RST so we can go ahead and properly stop again. So I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, over here at New Year, and our boy Beto just transferred the tire mounting machine to his new shop over there. Got the F there, and here's the key that we need. As you can see, it's a lot thinner, so it's gonna be able to go ahead and make it, and just to be a brake and alignment shop. But now it's part of New Year. It's really sick, actually. It's coming out really nice. As you know, it's my go-to place. My boy. Got the floor already done. Super nice. Yeah. Let's head on back. Alright guys, so here we are. The truck is jacked up. Check out these lug nuts. They were so tight that we actually bent them trying to take them off. I mean, I guess we can get them back in, right? So that was the case with 4 of them. Here's the other 2 that are perfect. They're just so tight in there. But here's the OEM RST brakes. As you can see, to fit a bigger rotor, they use like a bracket sort of thing. I'll figure it out, get it all off right now. It's all old though, so we'll see how hard it is to take off. Alright guys, so we got everything off. There's the stock RST brake caliper, there's the Brembo. Got the Brembo brake line on there. I think it might still be leaking up there, I need to tighten it up. But as you can see, the new lugs are a bit bigger, so I need to force them in there somehow. So I'm gonna try and just throw in the lug nut and see what happens. Alright guys, this side is done after a long fiasco to get those studs in because they're a little longer. As you can tell, this isn't in all the way. I'm about to throw it in. As always, Brembos are huge. They're way bigger than the RST brakes. Went ahead and bled everything, ready to go. Now to take off the wheel. So we got this entire side off. As you can see, the RST brake caliper is still attached. Yeah. Original studs are off. We got 3 of them on. We're waiting for 3 more from O'Reilly. And just went ahead and compressed the pistons on the passenger side caliper. I like looking here and I'm like, all right, well, there's no O-ring. Is that acceptable? So Parker ended up getting some Brembos as well. He's out in Utah right now because that's where he lives. But I had to order some brake lines for his kit. And there they are. So sorry, Parker, but it looks like we're gonna open these up to make sure I don't need an O-ring. Let's see. So should be like this little hardware kit right here. Doesn't appear to have an O-ring, so I think we're good to go. Let's get going. All right, guys, so here we are. They are on the truck. Rotor is noticeably bigger, of course. Calipers or whatever. As you can see, there are the wheel spacers, all nice and snugged up. And yeah, getting those lugs on there wasn't exactly my idea of fun, but like I said, here we are. And I just washed the truck. It looks really, really good. I know I need to touch up that little chrome part of the grill. Yeah, this video is not as long.
Mostly because I've done this before, and I'm sure you guys have seen that other Brembo video. Which I got, there's like 3 of them, so I'll like link them on this. But that and it was like kind of not fun on this one, just because it was a Texas truck, so getting the rotors off of the hubs took a long time, and getting the studs wasn't bad, but getting them on took forever until we finally figured out how, because they were the knurl diameter was a little bigger than the OEM, so it was a little stubborn. But yeah, I mean, they break awesome. They look amazing. Not too stoked about running a wheel spacer, but I got longer studs to make up for it, so I'm not exactly concerned about my safety. As you can see, tire sticks out quite a bit. It's fine because I'm only at a 2-inch drop up front. It's weird how like if I were to slam this truck, there's no way I could do this or run these wheels, you know? Like maybe, I guess, if I ran like a much smaller tire, maybe a little stretched. It didn't exactly seem like my idea of fun, to be honest. But yeah, we're on, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.